Good morning, students. In last class, we have discussed how to multiply a monomial by monomial, and we also studied how to multiply a monomial by binomial, a monomial by a trinomial, and we have solved exercise based on that. In today's class, we are going to see how we are going to multiply a polynomial by a polynomial. That is, how we are going to multiply a binomial by binomial, and how we are going to multiply binomial by a trinomial. In today's class, we are going to learn. What we are going to learn in today's class? In today's class, we are going to learn how to multiply a binomial by a binomial, and also how to multiply a binomial by a trinomial. Okay. So in this we are going to read first one, multiplying a binomial by a binomial. Okay. So I will consider examples from that only. I will explain you how to multiply a binomial by a binomial. Say example. First one, simplify 3a plus 4b multiplied by 2a plus 3b. Now see here, I written a heading multiplying a binomial by a binomial. Now see here, this is an binomial because it will contain two terms. An algebraic expression which contain two terms is nothing but a binomial. Now here also two terms are there, and in this expression also here two terms are there. Also no, definitely it's a multiplication of a binomial by a binomial. In last class we have learned how to multiply a monomial by a binomial and monomial by a trinomial. Yes. Now we are going to multiply a binomial by a binomial. Now see how to multiply this. Now see student, how to multiply it explains here. Solution. So the given thing I will consider 3a plus 4b multiplied by 2a plus 3b. Okay. Now how to multiply here? Any one term you take. Any one term. See each term. Suppose I am considering this term. See each term of this binomial you have to multiply with the each term of the another binomial. Now see what I am explaining. Now this is one binomial, right? This is here 3a is one term. This 3a I am multiplying with this term, that is 2a plus 3b. Each term of the binomial you have to multiply with another term of the binomial. Now see 3a multiplied by 2a plus 3b. Here plus is there plus, 4b is there plus 4b. See this 4b you have to multiply with this expression, that is 2a plus 3b. Now see students, here any one what expression you have to keep a constant. Any one expression you have to keep constant. What I am telling means, here each term of this binomial I am multiplying with the each term of the another binomial. Now see, 3 2s is what? 3 2s are 6. You know how to multiply this. 3 2s are 6. A into A will be A square plus 3 3s are 9. A into B is AB. Okay, plus 4 2s are 8. B into A is AB. Yes, sir? Plus is plus. 4 3s are 12. B into B is nothing but B square. Okay, now what we will do? See, like terms you have to add. Now see here 6a square is there plus 9ab plus 8ab is what? It will be 17ab. I told that like terms can be added. Yes or no? Plus 12b square. Is it understood? Once more I will explain here. Say take any one here, the multiplication of binomial by binomial is there. See what you have to do, each term of this binomial you have to multiply with each term of the another binomial. Is it understood? Now we will consider next one. Second, multiplying a binomial by a trinomial. So now we are going to read how we are going to multiply a binomial by a trinomial. We will consider one examples here. Example, simplify a plus 7 multiplied by a square plus 3a plus 5. Okay, now see here, this is the multiplication of a binomial by a trinomial. Same thing, how we are done here, each term of the binomial we have multiplied with each term of the another binomial. Same thing, what we will do is, each term of the binomial we are going to multiply with each term of the trinomial. Now see, solution, how we are going to do here. So what is the given thing? A plus 7 multiplied by a square plus 3a plus 5. So what you do, each term of the binomial you multiply with the each term of the trinomial. Now see here, a multiplied by a square plus 3a plus 5. So this each term, okay, here a is one term of the binomial, this you have to multiply with this whole expression, and this 7 you have to multiply with this whole expression. Now see here, plus 7 is there, plus 7. This 7 you have to multiply with this trinomial, that is a square plus 3a plus 5. So now see, a multiplied by a square, what it will become? A cube. Yes, a cube plus 3a into a is 3a square plus a into 5 is 5a, okay, plus 7 into a square is 7a square plus 7 3s are 21a plus is plus 7 5s are 35. So now what it will become? A cube. Yeah, now see here, like terms can be added in a mathematics section. Here 3a square plus 7a square is what? It will become 10a square plus 21a plus 5a, 26a plus 35. Okay, so this is the way how we are going to multiply a binomial by a binomial and a binomial by a trinomial. What we have to do, it's simple. While multiplying a binomial by a binomial, what you do, multiply each term of the binomial with the another term of the binomial. Here, while multiplying a binomial by a trinomial, multiply each term of the binomial with each term of the trinomial. This is about the multiplying a polynomial by a polynomial. Now we will see the worked examples based on this. Now say problems. First one, multiply x minus 4 and 2x plus 3. Second one, x minus y and 3x plus 5y. Now see, now we are going to multiply they told problems multiply. This is nothing but a multiplication of a binomial by a binomial. Okay. Now see a solution. First one, x minus 4 and 2x plus 3. This is the given thing. Now see, multiply they have told. We know how to multiply a binomial by a binomial. Yes or no? Now see, what we do is multiply each term of the binomial with the each term of the another binomial. Now see, it is nothing but x multiplied by 2x plus 3. Okay, the minus 4 is there, minus 4 multiplied by 2x plus 3. Now say what it will become, x into 2x is 2x square plus 3 into x is 3x minus 4 2s are 8x minus plus minus 4 3s are 12. Now what it will become, 2x square. Now like terms can be added or subtracted. Plus minus is minus, 8 minus 3 is 5. It will become minus 5x minus 12. Okay. Say further we can't simplify this because here these all are unlike terms are there. Okay. Now in the similar way we will solve the second one. X minus y multiplied by 3x plus 5y is equal to multiply each term of this binomial with every term of the another binomial. Now see how to do. X multiplied by 3x plus 5y. Okay, the minus y is there, minus y multiplied by 3x plus 5y. Okay, now what it will become, x into 3x is 3x square plus 5y into x is 5xy minus 3x into y is 3xy plus minus is minus 5y into y is 5y square. Okay, now we can add or subtract the like terms. Yes or no? Now see here, 3x square, here these are the like terms, plus minus is minus, 5 minus 3 is 2. Bigger number is what, 5. 5 has plus sign, means here it will be plus 2xy minus 5y square. So this is about the problems. Okay, now we will see the one more problem. So that is second one. Multiply a plus 7 and b minus 5. Second, a square plus 2b square and 5a minus 3b. So in the similar way we will solve this also. Let's see a solution. First one, a plus 7 multiplied by b minus 5. Okay, so multiply each term of this binomial with the every term of the another binomial. Now see here, A multiplied by B minus 5. Okay, the plus 7 is there, plus 7 multiplied by B minus 5. Okay, so multiply each term of the binomial by every term of this another binomial. Now see here, A into B is AB, here minus is the minus, A into 5 will be 5A, plus 7 into B is 7B, plus minus minus 7 5s are 35. Like terms can be added or subtracted, yes or no? Now see here, AB keep here. Now is there any like terms here? It's not there. Yes, we will stop here only. Now this is about the first one. Now say second one. A square plus 2b square multiplied by 5a minus 3b. Here also we do the same thing. Multiply each term of this binomial with every term of the another binomial. Now see, it will become a square multiplied by 5a minus 3b. This a square you multiply with this binomial. Here plus 2b square is there, plus 2b square multiplied by this, that is 5a minus 3b. Can now simplify this. A square into 5a is nothing but a 5a cube, yes, minus 3 a square b, okay, plus 5 2 is a 10 a b square, okay, plus minus is minus 3 2 is a 6 b cube. Now see, is there any like terms here? No, we will stop here only. Okay, so this is about the second main. Now we will see third question in the worked example. Now say third one, simplify a plus b multiplied by 2a minus 3b plus c minus 2a minus 3b multiplied by c. Now see here, solution. Now see, they are told simplify a plus b multiplied by 2a minus 3b plus c minus 2a minus 3b multiplied by c. Now what we will do, first we will simplify this. So we have a plus b multiplied by 2a minus 3b plus c. Now see, this is a multiplication of a binomial by a trinomial. What we will do? Each term of this binomial we will multiply with every term of the trinomial. Now what it will become? See, a multiplied by 2a minus 3b plus c, plus is there, plus b multiplied by 2a minus 3b plus c. So this will equal to 2a into a is a square minus 3b into a is minus 3ab plus a into c is ac, okay, plus 2a into b is 2ab minus 3b into b is 3b square, okay, plus b into c is bc. Now see, is there any like terms? Now see, we will arrange it properly, okay. 2a square minus 3ab plus 2ab, I am writing like terms in one side, plus ac minus 3b square plus BC. Now say this is equal to 2a square. What is minus 3ab plus 2ab? It will be a minus ab, okay, plus ac minus 3b square plus bc. Now see here, this part we have simplified now. Now we will simplify this one, okay. Now see here, and 2a minus 3b multiplied by c. We know how to multiply this, right? 2a minus 3b into c. Okay. So what we will do, see here, 2a multiplied by c, it will be 2ac. A minus is there, minus 3b into c is minus 3bc. Okay. Now therefore see here, therefore a plus b multiplied by 2a minus 3b plus c minus 2a minus 3b multiplied by c. Now see here, this way simplified, right? What is the answer we got? That you write 2a square minus ab plus ac minus 3b square plus bc. Okay, here minus is a minus, this part we have simplified. What we got the answer? 2ac minus 3bc. Okay, now we will simplify this. 2a square minus ab plus ac minus 3b square plus bc. It will become minus 2ac, we will remove the bracket, minus minus is plus 3b plus 3bc. Okay, now it will be 2a square. Okay, now we will see the like terms are there here. Okay, it will here minus ab, we will search is there any like terms. See here, minus 2ac plus ac. Okay, write in here order, plus ac minus 2ac plus 3bc. Okay, here one more bc is there, plus bc minus 3b square. Now say what it will become? 2a square minus ab plus 1ac minus 2ac, it will be minus ac plus 3bc plus 1bc, it will be plus 4bc minus 3b square. Okay, so this is about our solution. Okay, so this is the way how we are going to solve. Now based on this we are going to solve the exercise. Now we are going to see some problems on exercise 6.4. Now see here, exercise 6.4. Okay, first one they are given, multiply the binomials. So first one they are given 2x plus 5 and 4x minus 3. Okay, see here in exercise 6.4 only few questions I am going to solve here. Now see here, multiply the binomial. They have told this is a multiplication of a binomial by a binomial. I told you just now, right, how to multiply a binomial by a binomial. See, each term of this binomial you have to multiply with the every term of the another binomial. Now see here, solution. Say 2x plus 5 multiplied by 4x minus 3. Say multiply each term of this binomial with every term of the another binomial, that is 2x multiplied by 4x minus 3, okay, plus 5 multiplied by 4x minus 3. Now see, 2 4s are 8, 8x square minus 3 2s are 6x plus 5 4s are 20x plus minus is minus 5 3s are 15. Okay, so what it will become? 8x square minus 6x plus 20x is what, student? It will be plus 14x minus 15. Now see students, minus plus is minus. Whatever we will spell, no, that operation we have to perform here. Minus plus is minus. We have to do the minus. That is 20 minus 6 is 14. So which is the bigger number here? 20. 20 is plus and therefore you have to put here plus sign. Okay. So this is about the first one. Now see a fifth one. In this one we will solve 2pq plus 3q square and 3pq minus 2q square. Okay, now see here, solution 2pq plus 3q square multiplied by 3pq minus 2q square. Now see here, is equal to multiply each term of the binomial with the every term of another binomial. Now see here, 2pq multiplied by 3pq minus 2q square. Here plus 3q square is there, plus 3q square multiplied by 3pq minus 2q square. Okay. So this is equal to, now you know how to multiply this, yes or no? Now see here, 2 3s are 6, p into p will be p square, q into q will be q square, minus 2 2s are 4, it will become p q raised to 3, okay, plus 3 3s are 9, p q raised to 3. Plus minus is minus 3 2s are 6, q raised to 4. So now see here, like terms can be added. Listen, now see here, minus 4 plus 9 is what? It will be plus 5. Plus 5 p q raised to 3 minus 6 q raised to 4. Okay, so this is about the what? Fifth problem. Now in the similar way we will go for the second main. Now see the second main. Find the product. So in this only one I will solve. 5 minus 2x multiplied by 3 plus x. Now see here students, this is a multiplication of a binomial by a binomial. Yes or no? Therefore find the product. Now see here, solutions. 5 minus 2x multiplied by 3 plus x is equal to. Say multiply each term of this binomial with the every term of the another binomial. Now see here, 5 multiplied by 3 plus x, the minus 2x multiplied by 3 plus x. Okay, now see here, 5 3s are 15 plus 5 into x is 5x minus 2 3s are, it will become minus 6x, minus plus is minus, 2x into x is 2x square. Now what it will become? 15. So like terms can be added or subtracted. Plus minus is minus, 6 minus 5 is 1. It will become minus x minus 2x square. So this can also be written as minus 2x square minus x plus 15. Okay. So this is about the second main. Now we will see third main. We see third main. Simplify. First one, x square minus 5 multiplied by x plus 5 plus 25. Now see here, solution. Now we will simplify this part first. What it will become? X square minus 5 multiplied by x plus 5. This is a multiplication of a binomial by a binomial. You know how to multiply that. Multiply each term of the binomial with every term of the another binomial. Now see what it will become. X square multiplied by x plus 5. Here minus 5 is there. Minus 5 multiplied by x plus 5. Now do the multiplication. X square into x is x cube plus 5 into x square is 5x square. Here minus 5x is 5x, minus plus is minus, 5 5s are 25. Okay, so it will become, is there any like terms here? No. Okay, means we have to stop here only. So here, therefore x square minus 5 multiplied by x plus 5 plus 25 is equal to. Say when we have calculated this, what we got? We got x cube plus 5x square minus 5x, okay, minus 25 plus 25 is there. So what it will become? X cube plus 5x square minus 5x, minus 25 plus 25 is going to get cancelled. It will be x cube plus 5x square minus 5x. So this is about the what? Third main. Now we will solve one more problem. Say third one, fifth main, you see x plus y multiplied by 2x plus y plus x plus 2y multiplied by x minus y. Okay, now see here we have to simplify this. See solution. Now see here, they told to simplify. First we will simplify this part. Okay, we have x plus y multiplied by 2x plus y. It's a multiplication of a binomial by a binomial. How we are going to multiply? Multiply each term of this binomial with every term of the another binomial. Now see what it will become. x multiplied by 2x plus y, the plus y is there, plus y multiplied by 2x plus y. Now simplify this. X into 2x is 2x square plus x into y is xy plus y into 2x is 2xy plus is plus y into y is y square. So what it will become? 2x square. Like terms can be added in mathematics. Plus 1 plus 2 is plus 3xy plus y square. So this is about this part. Now in the similar way, first we will simplify this much part now. See, and x plus 2y multiplied by x minus 1 is equal to. Now see, in the similar way, multiply each term of this binomial with every term of the another binomial. Now see what it will become. Say x multiplied by x minus y. The plus 2y is there, plus 2y multiplied by x minus y. Now what it will become? X into x is x square minus x into y is xy plus 2y into x is 2xy plus minus is minus 2y into y is 2y square. Now you simplify this much part. X square minus xy plus 2xy is nothing but plus xy minus 2y square. Okay. Now we have simplified this much part and this much part. Now we will solve the entire expression. Now see here, therefore x plus y multiplied by 2x plus y plus x plus 2y multiplied by x minus 1. So when we simplify this much, what we got? We got 2x square plus 3xy, okay, plus y square. Okay, a plus is a plus. So what is the simplification we got? It is nothing but x square, okay, plus xy minus 2y square. Okay, if we simplify, what will get this? 2x square plus 3xy plus y square, yeah, plus x square plus xy minus 2y square. Okay, now we will solve this. Like terms can be added. 2x square plus x square is what, students? It will be 3x square plus 3xy plus 1xy. It is nothing but what? Plus 4xy plus y square minus 2y square. It is nothing but minus y square. So this is about the again, this is about the third main fifth problem. Okay, so here the other problems you have to solve by yourself. Thank you. We will see in the next class.